How y'all doing? What y'all doing? Welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you guys a wraparound ponytail, 30 inches. That's extra, okay? Just like these glasses, no purpose, cute and extra. So I'm going to be showing you guys this ponytail. I am going to show you guys the name, the color, and all that. Also, I'll put it down in my description, so if you guys want to take a look at it, purchase it, or whatever the case may be. So let's get right into it. So I'll show you guys. I already prepped my hair, have it slicked down. I use this Eco Gel. This is what I use on my daughter's hair. And I also found this little brush here. It's an edges brush. Look at my edges, y'all. I've never done my edges like this before. But I use this little brush here. So it's a brush on one side and then it's a comb on the other side. That's handy. And then let's get into this ponytail. Again, I'm going to put the ponytail in the description. So here is the ponytail here. And I'll put the name of it and everything down in the description. I already took the packaging and everything off. So let's go ahead and take it out the pack. And here it is. This is the straight one. They had all different types and colors. They had wavy. They had like more like a natural texture. And this, you can put heat on it also, up to 400 degrees. So like if you wanted to curl this, you could do that. If you wanted to make it wavy, you could do that. I guess just don't put anything over 400 degrees on it. I have my own hair here. But sometimes you just don't feel like you want to do your hair. You just want to slick your hair back and maybe throw something like this on and it'll be cute. So that's what I want to do. So hopefully this will be worth it. This was $15. And let's go ahead and try it on and see what it looks like. Okay, so it has 3 combs here. It has one in the middle and then it has 2 on the sides. So on the directions it says to put the middle comb at the top of the ponytail. So let me turn around so you guys can see. So we're going to start right here and we're going to put the middle comb there. Okay, and then we're going to wrap it around and put the left one in first, it says. And then put the right one. Just try to get it as tight as you can. Okay. And then we have this wraparound part here. And we're going to get that as tight as we can, so it'll look as natural as it can. Okay, I got it wrapped around. And it says to use bobby pins or U-pins. I have a couple of U-pins here. These are what I use when I, this is what a U-pin is. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is what I use when I put buns in. So let's secure this wraparound. Okay. All right, y'all. It's done. It's just that fast. That's the good thing about having a wraparound ponytail. It's so fast. So how does it look? It feels good. Okay. I like that it comes down and it's thinner at the bottom. That looks more natural. But my hair is almost this long, y'all. Let me see where my hair ends. My hair ends right here. So, but anyway, like I said, sometimes I just want to be able to slick my hair back and throw on a ponytail and be cute without having to do a whole lot. I have a lot of hair, y'all. Let me stand up so you can see the full length of this ponytail. Okay. Look how pretty this looks. Okay. And I have mine down in a low ponytail. I'm sure it can go up into a high ponytail. If you guys want to see this up into a high ponytail, you guys make sure you comment and let me know, and I will definitely do that for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and again, I'll put the information for the ponytail down in the description. So if you guys want to check it out, let me turn around again. Bam. Bam. All right, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.